Hey fam, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm Premium and Luxe for the month of December 2020. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in my little BoxyCharm boxes, just stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. Let's start with our premium box first, which is this little friend right here. And our theme this month is Boxy Bubbles and Glitz. The first product I see in my box is this one here from True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. Here is the front of the packaging. And inside we do have a contour shade, a bronzer shade, and 3 highlights, plus a blush. From what I have learned about this company, they are a clean beauty brand, and from what I have seen from the videos, these highlighters are beautiful. The face products look really good, and it's very exciting to see a clean beauty brand with some pigmentation and some beautiful formulas. I thought this palette was really exciting, and even though I had never heard of the brand before, after seeing some reviews on this product, I was stoked. Our next product is this one from Elemis, which is super exciting. Elemis is a fantastic skincare brand. They are very pricey, so it is always great to see them in a subscription box so we can just get a nice bargain for them and enjoy the great ingredients. So this is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Eye Revive Mask, Anti-Wrinkle Multi-Use Eye Mask. So this is supposed to treat fine lines and tired looking eyes. Girl, please. Please just dump this all over my face. Lord knows I need it. Super exciting to find an eye mask in this box. Our eyes definitely age very quickly, and mine need a lot of help. So very, very happy to see this Elemis product in our box. Super excited to give this a try, and I hope it works really well to target my fine lines, hydrate my eyes, and help them to look plump and supple as best as they can, please. The next product is from Elizabeth Mott. This is the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. I'm very excited to see this product in the box because I've been using the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eye primer for several months now. I actually have it on my eyes today, and I've really enjoyed that product. And to see a mascara in here, especially one that's supposed to give us a lot of like boosting and such, is really exciting. However, I have a huge amount of unopened mascaras. I just use one mascara at a time, and they last me about 3 months, and I'll like pitch it and go on to the next one. So I think it'd be best if I put this aside for one of y'all for a giveaway. I'd like to have a nice well-rounded giveaway. It's almost complete. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited about the products I have to show you, and I think I'm gonna put this aside for you guys. The next product I see is this one from Crayon. This is All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe Brush Set. These are 100% vegan and they are cruelty-free. I'm very excited. I've never tried Crayon brushes before, but I do believe they used to make Morphe's brushes for them. So I think they've got like a long reputation of creating brushes. I'm very excited to try this brand, and I can always use eye brushes. Let's see which ones are offered inside of this box. So here is our little brush set. We've got 5 eye brushes. This one is kind of a larger sort of pencil brush. It's got a pointed tip, and it would be nice for detail work. We also have this nice big fluffy brush. It's a little bit more of a packing brush. It's a little bit more narrow and rounded at the top. This would be really good, I think, to like sweep on colors. You could even use this for like a little bit of blending, but I think this would be a really good brush to pack on color. Then we have a nice smooth blending brush. These are ones I reach for all the time with these duo fibers and this rounded head. I think this will be great for blending. We also have a little smudger brush, which is also great for like going under your eye. And then we have a larger like packing brush. Do they have what these are called? So they say there's a deluxe eyeshadow brush, a deluxe blending crease brush, a deluxe chisel shader brush, a deluxe precision detail crease brush, and a deluxe chisel shadow base brush. So lots of great new art brushes. Then we have a little bubble wrap product, and inside we have 100% natural cuticle oil. This is from the brand The Lyfestyle Co. And I wonder if this is like a roller ball. It is. I'm noticing this packaging is leaking a little bit, but I think if I put this with my nail polish just sitting upright, it'll be okay. But yeah, a little concerning that it's already leaking, but it's always nice to get cuticle oil. And my last product in the premium box is this one from Viseart. This is my choice item this month. We had the choice between, I think it was like a bold matte and like a more neutral matte. This is the Viseart Neutral Matte VPE01. So this is the palette. I'm really excited because this is my first full-size Viseart palette. I have a brow and shadow palette, but it's mainly supposed to be for brows. The shadows are a little different. And then I have one like tiny little palette, like a little petite palette. So I'm really excited to finally get my first full-size Viseart palette. I'm excited to see it in my premium box. All of this came for only $35, which is incredible because this eyeshadow alone retails for $80. I did watch a Michelle Wong review on this palette and she really seemed to like it, so I'm really excited for it. I'm happy to have some neutral shades and I'm excited to play with Viseart's formula and see what I think about it. So that was everything for my premium box. As I mentioned, the Viseart palette goes for $80. The Cuticle oil is listed at $22. The It's So Big Volumizing Mascara from Elizabeth Mott retails for $20. Our Elemis Pro-Collagen Eye Mask retails for $82. Holy cow. Our Crown Brush Set goes for $34.95. And our True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette retails for $46. And I'm so excited I get to give this to one of you guys. Now let's pop into our Luxe box. Again, our theme is bubbles and glitz. The first product I see in our box is from Iconic London. This is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Inside this palette, it looks like we have a bronzer, we have some highlighters, a blush, maybe a glimmery bronzer. But more exciting news, this will also be going in my upcoming giveaway. I wanted to share this palette with one of you guys. I love Iconic London, but y'all know if you saw my face palette collection that things are getting a little out of hand. So I have to be really, really careful with what I hold on to. And the Lucky Glow palette, because it's clean beauty and I haven't tried a lot of clean beauty products, intrigues me a little bit more. So I want to pass this beautiful palette along to one of you. The next thing I see in my box is this palette from HipDot. This is the Cenote eyeshadow palette and this is really, really beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. It says, unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of Cenote, our homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico, where the Mayans believed they could speak directly to the gods. What a fun and beautiful story and inspiration for this palette. So here are our beautiful shades. There are so many blues and greens and golds. I am living. If y'all didn't already know, I love me some color. So I'm so excited to play with this. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I've heard great things about HipDot's formula and I can't wait to try it for myself. Next, another super exciting product in my Luxe box is this brush set from Luxie. If y'all don't know, Luxie is one of my favorite brush brands. Luxie and Moda, I think, are like my absolute favorite. But I've tried a lot of great ones that I've received from BoxyCharm. I know we got a set, it was a couple months back. It was like primary colors, like red, yellow, blue, and like green handles on the brushes. If y'all remember, that brush set is bomb. It's so good. I reach for those ones a lot. The brush roll itself is like a faux suede red, which is really pretty. And then inside we have 8 brushes. We have 3 face brushes. This one looks like it's like a contour brush, maybe a under eye setting powder, or maybe if you want to do some highlighting with that, or you could even do like a little bit of blush. This one looks to be like a foundation brush, or you could put on like primer or moisturizer. And then we've got a bunch of eye brushes, angled brushes, little flat shader brushes, angled brushes, blending brushes, packing brushes. So I think this is fantastic for travel or just to keep all your brushes in a nice concise place. I will be pulling them all out of here and using them, but I love that I can also refill this roll with any brushes I want if I was to travel. So I think this is a really great thing to get in the box. The next product I saw was this one from Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I've heard incredible things about this product. I've never tried it because I know it's super pricey, but I'm super excited to see what it can do for my skin. It's supposed to deeply exfoliate the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. It visibly brightens discoloration, which I have a lot of hyperpigmentation issues, especially on my forehead from being bad and not wearing sunscreen. It's like the sun would come directly into my car as I was sitting in traffic and just like burnt the absolute crap out of my forehead, and now I have discoloration. Definitely wear your sunscreen, but I'm so excited to get this and I'm hoping it can help me correct the discoloration of my skin. Next we have this little product. This comes from Reza. It says Be Obsessed, Love My Leave-In for All Hair Types Salon Series. It's a gold infused shield first line defense which helps protect luminosity, and it's a leave-in conditioner. This is literally everything I want and need. I love using products like this. I actually have a little bit of this type of product in my hair today to try to tame down my little wispy fuzzes, that frizzy hair that always pops up through my bun. So I use products like this all the time, especially on my ends when they feel particularly dry, or like if, like because my hair is so long, I think my hair is probably like 2 feet long, the bottom, like this much of it is just so dry. Like I'll condition those ends and it just never seems like it gets like super hydrated. So I'll usually put in like a leave-in conditioner, or I'll spray like a leave-in conditioner, and it usually helps my ends to be like soft and shiny and get little curls in the ends, which makes me feel like they're healthy. So I'm really excited to get another product like this. I know I'll get my use out of it. I will plow through this thing, and I'm so happy to get a leave-in conditioner. This is fabulous. My next product was another choice product. This is from the Beaut company. This is a teeth whitening kit. Basically you just put your gel in the little tray and then you can hook this up, and I think it like shines light. I love the Crest White Strips. I found that with continued use, like if you use, I think I used like 2 packs years ago. I went consistently, follow the instructions every day, and I was able to really help whiten my teeth. So if you are interested in teeth whitening, I think the Crest White Strips are bomb. The ones that you leave on for half an hour. I think the ones that are like 15 minutes don't do anything, and the ones that are on for an hour is just too much of a commitment to have this like tape on your teeth. But get the half an hour ones, they are bomb. But use them every day until you achieve the shade that you want, and I really do think you'll have success with that. But I'm excited to try this little treatment. I've been drinking so much coffee, especially work from home. I can just keep making myself more coffee. So I definitely am dealing with a little bit of staining on my teeth from that, and I'm really excited to try this product. I hope it works. You're supposed to see like at least 1 shade up, or like 1 to 2 shades up with every use. So I'm gonna be putting this to the test. Hopefully it works for me. The next product in my box, and don't be scared because I just talked about a product like this, but this is a different one. This is also from Avant. This is the Glycolic Mica Arginine Urea Shea Butter Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. So I'm hoping this product is just as good as the other moisturizer that I love from this brand, because I ordered 2 from pop-up. When my other one sold out and I couldn't get it, like I had it in my cart and it just got pulled right away, sold out right from under me. I saw that they had another moisturizer, and so I added 2 to my cart. I think they were like $6 or $9 each. So I didn't know I was getting it in my Luxe box, but I'm gonna be like drowning in moisturizer because of the Avant brand is so expensive, and I'm hoping that this one works just as well as the other one. Shout out to my girl Natalie, Miss Natalie to Glam, who told me all about the Avant moisturizers she was able to find on sites like eBay. I was able to find one on Mercari today for $15, but I'm very excited to see this product. I hope it works just as well as the other one, and I can't wait to give it a try. My last product in the box was one I didn't think I wanted, but now that I've received it, I'm actually really happy. That is the Hot Mess Rockin Cosmetics Hot Mess Crayon Trio. And in here we get 3 chubby crayons. There's a navy blue one, a green one, and a black one. And at first when I saw these in choice, I was like, I just put choose for me because I didn't really want these. I didn't want the Sol de Janeiro Bomb because I already have all 3 colors that they have. So I was like, I don't know, you guys pick. So they picked this for me, but now that I have these, I'm really excited. For my look today, I went in first for my base with, it's a eyeshadow crayon from the Bomb that was just black because I wanted to put on a multi-chrome. And some multi-chromes that have black bases look better over a black base. So I went in with my little shadow stick first before I laid down the multi-chrome. So I was really happy to get this black. The Laura Mercier Caviar Sticks that I tried recently are like $29 each. And so I didn't want to go that route. So I'm just so happy that I got these in my box. I think I'll use the green and the navy blue. The navy blue will probably look really nice with the Eternal Eclipse palette from Beaut.Beauty. This green one will be fun. I just had green on the other day, so I know I wear green and then black. So I think these colors are all really helpful. I don't have anything in my collection like these, and I think they'll be fun to use to create future looks, especially with multi-chromes. So let's go over some prices. For our Rockin Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens, these retail for $40. Our iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette retails for $55. That's going to one of y'all. Our Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment retails for $85. Goodness gracious. Our HipDot Cenote palette retails for $30. Our Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set retails for $85. Goodness gracious, this is a high value box this month. And Luxe does retail for $50. And it comes quarterly. It comes in March, June, September, and December. Our Beaut.Beauty Co., the original Glam Smile Kit, retails for $89. Our Avant Skincare Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer retails for $123. And last, our Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In retails for $22. So I think overall, these were some great boxes this month. We had some high value items. We had some great quality items. I am so excited to give so many of these products a try. I love all the brushes I got as well. And I love that I had some products that I could share with you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my Premium and Luxe boxes for December 2020. Thank you all so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much. And until the next video, bye.